In this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create long-form YouTube videos using only AI. And the best part? It's 100% automated and takes less than 2 minutes to create. In fact, I created an entire video using this AI tool, and it looks something like this.
Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. For everyone who asks, receives. The one who seeks finds. And to the one who knocks, the door will be opened. I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. I have told you these things, so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart. I have overcome the world.
That video was 100% AI generated. Content, captions, background music, all automated. I didn't touch the timeline once, and it only took 2 minutes to create. So like this video, and let's start with step 1, which is to come over to CapCut. If you don't have, just download it from their website, and in case if CapCut isn't available in your country, you can download it using VPN. Alright? So once you are inside CapCut, just go to this AI video maker, and this is what you are going to see. Next, click on Instant AI Video, and this is where you are going to give a prompt to generate the script. For that, let's head over to ChatGPT, and this is where we are going to generate a prompt for the video script. For this example, I've pasted this prompt that says, give me a prompt to create a script for a YouTube video titled, The Beautiful Message from Jesus. Make sure the prompt is written in a way that the final script contains only words spoken directly by Jesus, with no narration, explanations, or commentary. Next, hit enter. What this does is generate a ready-to-paste prompt that we can use inside CapCut AI to create the video. As you can see, the prompt is ready. It says, write a YouTube video script titled, The Beautiful Message from Jesus. The entire script must be written only as words spoken directly by Jesus Christ in first person, as if he is speaking lovingly and personally to the viewer. And the rest of the prompt just adds a few more instructions. Alright, so I'm going to copy this prompt and paste it into CapCut. Next, head over to the Style section. You'll see a variety of AI styles you can apply to your video. For this example, I'm going to select the style labeled Biblical. Then, make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9, which is the recommended size for long-form YouTube videos. Next, go to the Duration section. This is where you select how long you want the video to be. You can generate videos that are 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or even 10 minutes long, which is pretty insane. For this example, I'm going with the 10-minute option. After that, you choose a voice. There's a variety of high-quality AI voices you can pick from. For this example, I'm selecting the one called Ladies Man. I have no idea why they named it that. It's kind of funny. Finally, click the Create button, and CapCut's AI will work its magic to generate the entire video. As you can see, the video is now ready. Here's the script, and here are the visuals, which look great. If you don't like any of the visuals, you can replace them directly from here, and the AI will automatically swap them with visuals that match the script. Now, if you want to add background music to make the video more engaging, go to the music section. You'll see different categories to choose from. For this example, I'm going with the healing category since it fits the video. As you can see, there's a lot of free music available. All you have to do is click the plus icon, and it will add the music to the video. Alright, so I'm gonna hit export. Then it's going to ask you to choose the quality of the video. I'm gonna go with the recommended one. For the resolution type, you can select from 1080p, 2K, or even 4K. For this example, I'm going with 1080p. Next, I'm going to go to frame rate and select 60 FPS, which is going to create smooth and high quality video. And finally, I'm going to hit export button, and it's going to start exporting the video, which is going to take some minutes. Alright, so the video is now ready. Let's watch the video to see the final result.
My child, do you feel the weight of the world on your shoulders? Come to me. I see you. I know your heart, and I have been waiting for you. Long before you drew your first breath, I knew your name. Lay your burdens down at my feet, the worries that keep you awake at night, fearfully and fearfully made. Do not let anyone.
So that's the final result. This entire long-form video was created using AI, including the script, visuals, captions, and background music. No manual editing, no timeline work, and no extra tools. From start to finish, the whole process took just 2 minutes. And that's how you can create long-form YouTube videos using AI. If you found this helpful, Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more hidden gems and simple AI tools like this that can save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.